An actor once hailed as the next superstar, crashed with 3 back-to-back flops.
I had not seen three major flops in a row.
A director, fresh off a massive success, poured everything into his dream project, only for it to get shelved midway. Both were left stranded. But fate had other plans. When the two finally collaborated, they gave one of the greatest. I mean, greatest शब्द भी underwhelming लगता है. Just look at the numbers, man. Movie broke huge records, and also some critics fragilely go, becoming one of the profitable installment not just for the production houses, but also for so many YouTubers. बहुत make किया YouTuber ने. Just like the movie, which is raw, gritty, and epic, same goes with the making of this film. When Ashwathama got shelved because of the cost of production, which was the reason given to Aditya Dar by Robin Screenwala, इसके पास Shark Tank के लिए पैसे हैं. Aditya Dar switched to the script of Dhurandhar. His production house B62 were doing really good. They collaborated with Jyoti Deshpande, head of Geo Studios, on projects like Dhoom Dhaam, Article 370, which were a good and decent success. And that's when Aditya Dar pitched Dhurandhar to Jyoti. Initially, she was reluctant because she felt it was a big gamble, but the movie still got greenlit from her, and Geo Studios allocated 200 crore for the movie. जितना बेहतरीन स्क्रीनप्ले था, उतना ही डिफिकल्ट था उसे एग्जीक्यूट करना. Being a period drama based on true events, it was not going to be easy for Aditya Dhar, but he and studio took 3 great decisions which shaped the part of Dhurandhar. Mukesh Chabra as a casting director. Chabra came on board and rest is history. धार ने हमजा के रोल के लिए पहले से ही रणवीर सिंह को कंफर्म कर लिया था. चाबरा was one of the first person who heard the narration of Dhurandhar. From Pinda to Rizwan to Alam Chacha, his casting was so apt. भाई ने literally आतिक अहमद का doppelganger ढूंढ लिया. From introducing Sara Arjun to reintroducing Rakesh Bedi as the OG Dhurandhar. He literally ran 400 auditions, which is not a joke. Even convinced stars like Akshay Khanna to came on board. Actors was also giving their best. Ranveer Singh gained and lost 15 kg to build the Hamza aesthetics. He also said that Hamza का role और भी difficult था compared to Khilji. Bro did underwater training and just drawn himself into the world of Dhurandhar. Cast की dedication and talent के ऊपर तो एक अलग सी वीडियो बन सकती है. ऐसी नहीं फोटो इतना ऑरा कैरी करती है. Every actor prepare and give their best. Except Sanjay Dutt, he was just playing himself. Characters were sorted. It was time to bring them into the world of Dhurandhar. Dhurandhar is set in 90s in the Lyari town of Pakistan, and to create this was not an easy task, and that's where production and set designers Saini Jora and Ashita Jain shines. They created whole Lyari town in Thailand, that too in 20 days with Thailand local workers, which was a big problem क्योंकि उन्हें पता ही नहीं था सब्जी मंडी which was shown in Lyari town कैसा दिखता है. But they still managed it. और भी बहुत सी प्रॉब्लम्स उन्हें शूटिंग के दौरान फेस करनी पड़ी. In Leh, 120 crew members got food poison, which was very unfortunate. With such a huge star cast, it was not possible to shoot in Mumbai, but they still managed it. But a big problem came in. During midway in the production, Geo Studio pulled out the money, and after that Aditya Dhar and Lokesh Dhar from B6 Studio came on board and invested 50 crore more. It was a huge stake for both of them. धर की एक ऑलरेडी फिल्म शेव्ड हो गई थी and he risked with धुरंधर. कुछ सोर्सेज ये भी कहते हैं रणवीर सिंह also invested his money in धुरंधर. छोड़ो अभी KRK की बातों पे कौन ही भरोसा करे. But the world of Dhurandhar was staged. And then Vikas Nolakha, one of the DOPs of this film, came on board and became the eye of Dhurandhar. Aditya Dar की pic detailing में इनका बहुत सा योगदान रहा है. Frames, movement, shots, he literally make it alive. When he came on board and जब उन्होंने screenplay पढ़ा, he said, I was waiting 30 years for such a film. And then in post-production came the 2 legendary artists, one Shashwat Sachdeva. पहले तो इसे tier 1 music composer in India इसमें club करो. After their Uri collaboration, this was second time, and definitely one more national award is loading. शाश्वत ने 9 दिन में 9 गाने लिख दिए for part 1 and completed the BGM in just 6 days. Also, he completed the songs and BGM for part 2 in just 15 fucking days. He was brilliant in composition and in song selection. They worked as a team in Aditya Dar Mumbai house and made his living room into a small studio. इतना ही नहीं, various artists were featured from Hanuman Kind to our very own Devi Rebel. ये वाली नहीं, ये वाली. Hanuman Kind was approached by the recommendation of Ranveer Singh, and Rebel initially thought it was just a random Bollywood movie. But जब उन्हें पता चला कि how dedicated the team was, she also gave her best. It was such a lethal dedication. And the second one would be Shiv Kumar Penikar, the editor. Aditya Dar बहुत close थे इनके साथ. He supported Aditya Dar in the initial days of his career. और इनकी editing and pacing बहुत highly important हो जाती, where he engaged us for more than 3 hours, not just for one time, but for 2 times. An honorable mention to Ojas Gautam, who edited the trailer, which literally created the hype for Dhurandhar. And it will be shame if we didn't mention Dhruv Rathi's contribution to Dhurandhar. आदित्य भाई, एक special thanks mention तो आप डाल ही दो यामी गौतम के साथ. At last, Dhurandhar is a result of a strong collaborative work, dedication, and a vision or story. The journey is really inspiring. When you look back at the making of this film, I think it was just written in the fate. I know Dhurandhar के ऊपर बहुत से opinion है, कोई से propaganda प्रोपेगेंडा कहता है, कोई नहीं कहता है, और बहुत सी ओपिनियंस है जो कि इसके सक्सेस के बाद आए हैं, बट किसी महान हस्ती ने तो पहले ही बोल दिया था, इवन बिफोर इट्स रिलीज।
रणवीर सिंह की पिछली 5-6 फिल्मों का बिजनेस देखकर यह कह सकता हूं कि यह फिल्म 100 करोड़ के ऊपर बिजनेस नहीं कर सकती।